Good afternoon, friends. I hope you are enjoying your studies. And here is a special trick for you that is called Vedic matrix. Good noon, everybody. Good noon. And please be ready to learn these tricks, which will be very useful for you. Just one thing you have to keep in your mind, that you must have copy and pen with you. If you don't have the copy and pen with you, please bring it, and copy and pen must be with you. Okay, everybody should have his copy and pen with him. Raise your hand and tell me whether this copy and pen are with you or not. This is a special class for you, which will teach you many new things, very useful things. Okay, everybody have? So be ready. And now, should I start? Everybody have come, or just we have to wait somebody else? Sir, I have not understand the truck 1 and 2 that you teach in before class. Yeah, Urvi, this is not truck. This is trick. Truck मुझे समझ नहीं आया. This is trick, beta. I will tell you today. Just learn it one by one. The trick is called one by one method. That is called balance method trick. We call it tan balance method. How to calculate something by tan balance method, I will tell you. Okay. Right here, one number and how to calculate that. Like, if I have to multiply 9 by 8, then what will be my answer? Everybody knows. I will say this is 72. Voice is not coming. What's happened to my voice? Yes, I know it very well. You know it very well. But just wait for that. Voice is clear to you all? It is audible? Sir, I have joined now. What is going on? Just it will be Vedic mathematics tricks. See, do you know this is near about 10? We say it is a 10 balanced method. And when it will be 19 and 18, how to calculate that? So I am taking it again. When 9 is to be multiplied by 8, multiply by 8, then what I have to do? I have to subtract it from 10. 10 subtracted from 9 gives me -1, and 8 have the balance -2. Means if I have a 10 rupee note, think, and 9 rupees I have given somebody, so what I have left? 1. And if I have another app is crashing, every student is opening their face scan. Please, here guys, please off your camera also. That is app is creating the problem. Okay, just that is 100 balance. So now I will multiply these two. -1 multiplied by -2 gives me 2, and I will put 2 arrows here. One here, one here. I will put 2 arrows here, 1 arrow here, and 1 arrow there. That gives me 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equal to 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Answer will be 70. Got it? Now, I will take one more example. If 8 is to be multiplied by 7, I have to balance it from 10. That is -2. That is -3. And I will multiply these both digits. -3 and -2 I will multiply. Step 1 will be -2 multiplied by -3 gives me 6. Step 2 will be 2 cross arrows. Step 2 will be what? 2 cross arrows. Okay, 1 arrow this way, 1 arrow this way. That will give me 8 minus 3 or 7 minus 2, both will give me 5. Both will give me what? 5. So 3 to the is 6 and cross wave 5. Got it? That is called 100 balance method. Okay? 100 balance method. Now, I will take another example. 11 is to be multiplied by 12. 11 is to be multiplied by 12. How come we can do? We will make it balance from 10. We will take balance from 10. Learn, because when the multiplication will be higher side, then it will be very much beneficial. It is how much more than 10? It is one extra than 10, and it is 2 extra than, that is plus sign will be here. So I will multiply in first step 1 into 2. 1 into 2 gives me what? 2. And I will put 2 arrows there, one this way, one this way. Step 1 will be what? 1 into 2. And step 2 will be what? 11 plus 2 or 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So my answer is 132. That is called Niklam Sutra. This trick is called Niklam Sutra of multiplication. Okay, got it? Got it? Now I will take more example. Don't worry, like that is must be near about 10. What calculation we can do? What calculation we can do? You have to write which is near about 10. Near about 10. Let's take 12 multiply by 12. That is more than 10 or less than 10. First thing, this is plus or minus. 10 से ज़्यादा है कम है? More. So I will put sign plus. How much more? 2 and 2. Okay, both way. Now first step में what we will do in first step? We will multiply these both digits. 2 to the 4. I will put here. And 2 arrows will be there. 12 or 2 means 12 plus 2 equal to 12 plus 2 equal to 14. So my answer will be 144. Got it? That will be very useful technique for you when you will do that. Now 13 multiplied by 13. That is called 100 balance method. Make it your own. 10 balance method. That is how much more? Plus 3. That is how much more? Plus 3. So first of all, what will come? 3 multiplied by 3 gives me 9. And 2 arrows, either this way, either this way. I will add 13 plus 3 equal to 16. I will put here. So my answer will be 169. Got it? That will be very easy trick when you will learn that. Okay, that is called 10 balance. Now 14 balance method. How much more? Write every question. That is how much more? That is 4 more. Both way it is 4 more. Right? And it is also 4 more. 4 to be, see that it is 4 is to be multiplied by 4 gives me 16. But I will not write 16. I will write 1 downward as carryover. That will be carryover because I have to take single digit. Now 14 plus 4 is what? 14 plus 4 is what? Both way it is 18. Both way it is what? 18. So I will put 18 here. Now this 1 will be added to this. So 196 will be my answer. I will take only single digit here. 16 came. 4 4 is 16. So I will take 6. 1 I will take carryover. That will be added in crores method. 196. Got it? Now 18 is to be multiplied by 19. That is how much more? 8. That is how much more? 9. 8 9 is what? 72. I will take 7 as carryover. Now this way or this way? This way what? 19 plus 8. This way what? 18 plus 9. Both way gave me 27. Both way what it will give me? 27. So I will write 27. Now 27 will be added with 7. Gives me what? 3, 4, 2. This 7 carry over will be added. Got this method? Got it? Somebody is raising hand. What happens, beta? Apeksha, Niyati, and Amanya. What happens? What's the problem? No problem. Clear? No. Okay. Then clear? Some I have no problem. Yeah, I have n problem. Okay, now see that. I will take here 1 4 to be multiplied by 1 7. See that how we will do? That is how much more than 10 rupees can say kitna jata hai? That is 4 more. I have to do it multiply, and it is 7 more. 7 will be multiplied into 4 gives me what? 28. I will take
अपना हाथ में से कर लो फोन
2 will be carry over, which I will add this side. Now this way or this way? This way is what? 7 plus 4. This way is what? 14 plus 7. Both way gives me what? 21. What it will give me? 21. So 21 will be added into 2, gives me 2, 3, 8. You have to practice. There are 2 steps. There are 2 steps.
सर 238
First step,
238
balance from 10. Balance
238
10 in plus or minus
238
will be
238 is
multiplied.
I have a problem
Will be multiplied. Okay.
Sir, I have a problem. Sir, so here 2 is come for
Close
the
the mic.
carry. Tell me one more
The
again.
mics are there.
Sir,
I don't know.
excuse.
Sir,
I have a problem. Tell again.
Close your mics, everybody.
Excuse.
Mute your mic, everyone. Mute your mic.
Your voice is not
Everyone,
coming.
mute your mic.
Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming.
Close your mics. It is creating problem.
Unmute.
Unmute. Everybody is clear. Nobody is open mic. Yes, Parv. This will create the problem. Dear friends,
Your voice is not
off your
coming.
mics.
Sir, not Sir, audible. your voice is not coming.
Please off your mic. Everybody mic is off now. I think so. Please don't open the mic. Clear? Okay. Now, I will take one more example for you. Just calculate 13 to be multiplied by 19. 13 to be multiplied by 19. That is the 10 balance method. That is 3 more. That is 9 more. 9 3 ja. First of all, what I will do? I will take 9 to be multiplied by 3. 9 3 ja is what? 9 3 ja is 27. I will take 7 here and 2 will be carry over. Now, either this way add, either this way add. Both way I will get 22. Both way what I will get? 22. So I will write 22 here and 2 will be added. 2 will carry over will be added. Gives me 247. Clear? Everybody? Yes or no, please tell me. Is it clear to all? You can take a screenshot for that. Okay, I'm taking another example which you have to calculate 16 multiplied by 17. You have to give the answer and do it by 10 balance method, please. Use the 10 balance method. Yes, it is how much more? It is 6 more. It is how much more? It is 7 more. 6 and 7. 6 multiplied by 7 gives me what? 42. But 4 will be carry over downwards. This way 23, this way 23. Both way. Both cross way it will be 23. And 23 will be added to 4. Gives me 272. Got it? Next, please. Multiply by 17 by 17. That is 7 more. That is 7 more. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer quickly. Clear to all? Yes, quick. Yes, very good. By which method you are using? By which method you are using? 10 balance method. You got it? Got it? Now, 289 is the answer. Now, if it is 20, that is not near 10. That is not near 10. It is near 20. It is near what? 20. So, it is how much more than 20? 1. It is 1. Okay. See this thing. 1 is to be multiplied by 1 gives me 1. Okay. Cross way. This way gives me what? 22 and 22. But what I will do here? 22 multiply by 2. Here I will multiply it by 2, any digit, because 2 is there. Because 2 is there. So answer will be 4, 4, 1. It is not near 1. When digit is 1, nothing will be multiplied. But when it is 2, I will multiply by 2. I will take one more example. Okay. I am taking one more example for you. that is 23 multiply by 23. Okay, check it out. This is 3 more. This is also 3 more. First of all, I will multiply 3 into 3 gives me what? 9. And I will use 2 cross arrows. Gives me what? 26. 26. Now I will multiply 26 by 2. What I will write here? 26 multiply by 2. Because double is there. It is more than 2. So answer will be 529. Got it? Now do this. 22 multiply by 22. What I will do? Plus 2 plus 2. 2 is to be multiplied by 2 gives me 4. This cross, both cross will give me what? 24. I will write 24 multiply by 2 because this digit is 2 times. So I will write 484. This thing you have to keep in your mind. For the near about 20. For near about 20. Near about 20. I will multiply this by 2. This thing you have to keep in your mind. Okay. One more example we will take. 23 multiplied by 23. 3 is there. 3 is there. I will multiply both this box. That gives me 9. Either this way, both way, it will give me what? 26. Now, what I will write here? 26 multiply by 2. So answer will be 529. Please write. Till you will not write with your own hand, you cannot understand. And everybody use copy and pen. Don't be sit like that. Show your copies and pens. Are you using copies or pens or not? Tell me. Copy and pen have to pick. Yes, Ridhima, Rudraksh, Tanisha, Apeksha, Mansi, Purvi, Divyansh, Dhruv. This is Manya, Angel. Using, show me your copy. Show me your copy. Anshika, Pari, Ahan, Sanvi, Manvi, Meghna, Krishna, Devansh, Divyam, Shubh, Shreya, Ambika, Nibha, Ambika, Nalini. Everybody is using the copies. Okay, very good. Use your copies. Okay. Got it? What I have done? The same method like the 10 balance method. But in 10, what I am doing? I am doing nothing. 3 3 is 9. I write it directly without multiplying, or you can say multiply it by 1. Or here what you are doing? Multiplying 26 by 2. Okay. Now I will take multiply by 3 and how you will calculate that. See that 31 is to be multiplied into 31. What you will do? Tell me. What you will do? First of all, we will take balance. Balance will be what? 1, 1. We will multiply these 1 into 1. Gives me 1. Okay. Here no problem. Now what I will do? I have to take 2 crosses and I will add 2 crosses will be where? One this way, one this way. Both way, what it will be? 32. 32 means 31 will be added into 1. 31 will be added into 1. Now, I will multiply it by 3. What is the digit here? I will multiply it by 3. Okay. In 2, I have to multiply it by 2. In 3, I have to multiply it by 3. So what it will be? 961 will be my answer. Got it? Till you will not use your copy and pen, you will not able to understand that. Now, (32) we multiply by 34. Tell me what will be the answer. What is the balance? Use your copy pen. Ridhima, write down. That is +2 right. Let's check it. How to solve that? That is 2 more. That is 4 more. 4 is to be multiplied by 2. Gives me 8. 1 cross here. 1 cross here gives me 36. And 36 is multiplied by 3. That gives me 108. So answer will be 1088. Got it? That will be very easy method. Got it? This thing you have to keep in your mind only. Thus you will be able to solve them. Yes. क्या हो गया? मुझे नहीं पता. Now, what will be here? That is the balance of 50. So I will multiply that by 5. Do it. Everywhere this method will be applied up to 99. What it will be? +2 +2. That is, sorry, this is 3. This is +2 and this is +3. First of all, it will be 6. Now this way or this way. Both way I will get 55. And 55 is to be multiplied by 5. 55 is to multiply by 5 gives me what? 275. That is my answer. Got this thing? This is 3 digits. When we multiply it, it takes 3 lines. And I am telling you, single line method. Understood? Isn't easy? Isn't it easy? It is so easy, my friends. So easy. You can do any damn calculation, whatever comes into your mind. No, okay. Now, I will take 100 balance method. Near about 100. What I will do? Near about 100. See, 101 multiply by 102. See that properly. Note it down. It is how much more than 100. Now, it is not 10 balance. It is how much balance? It is 100 rupees balance. How much more? That will be 01. It will be in 2 digit. It will be in 2 digit. And it will be in 2 digit. And 01 multiply by 02. 01 multiply by 02 gives me 2-digit answer 02. I will not write single digit. Here I will write 2 digits 02. Step 1 is the multiplication. Now same step. What I have to do? 2 arrows. This way 103. This way 103. Okay. And multiply it by 1. Multiply by what? 1, because it is 1. So what it will be? 10302. My answer will be 10302. Got it? Have clear the idea? Now see, it can be also done by 100 balance method, but what I have to do, because it is less than 100, it is not more than 100, it is what? Less than 100. Okay, so what I will take the sign, I will take the sign minus here. What I will take? Minus here. 100, it is less than 100 is 01 01. Now note minus 1. Don't write minus 1. You will write 01. You will take 2 digits always. Okay, 2 digits. So this is to be multiplied first. Minus 01 multiplied by minus 01 gives me 01. So I will write 01 here. Now 2 way. This way. 99 minus 1. 99 minus 01. Minus means minus. Plus means plus. So both way. What is my answer? 9801. Got it? Got it? Now do this. 98 multiply by 98. Out of 100 balance method, what I have to do? 100 balance method. Do it your own. Korika, you are doing your work or not? Don't be this way checking. Be stable there. Everybody has to be stable there. What you have did? That is minus 02, minus 02, minus 02 multiply by minus 02. Minus 02 multiply by minus 02 gives me what? 04. So 2 digits will be 04. Now cross way, what gives me? 96. This way 96. This way 96. So my answer will be what? 9604. Got it? Do this. Out of 100 balance, it is less or more? Less. So I will put less. That is 08. That is 08. And 08 will be multiplied into 08. That gives me 64. this way or either this way. Both way 92 minus 8. Both way. Either way. Either means one way. Either this way, either this way. Any way you can take. Both time digit will be same. 8464 is the answer. Got it? Now, tell me if somebody have the problem. Everybody got the idea very fast? Understood that? Raise your hand if somebody have the problem. Ansh Rana, Ojas, what's the problem, beta? I'm asking if somebody have the problem. Don't write no problem. I understood. Just if somebody have problem, then write. Okay. Now, do this. 95. The first trick in the first class problem. Divyansh Gupta is saying, Divyansh, you were late. Divyansh were late. See that. What I have to do? 100 balance method. 95 is to be multiplied by 95. That is 0.5. That is 0.5. No, we will do this question from 100 balance. That will be more better. 10 balance, that will be multiplied by 9. So multiply it by this. That is 25. 5 into 5. This way, this way. Both way what give me? 95 minus 0.5. 90. So my answer will be 9025. What will be the answer of this? 96, 96, 04, 04. What will be answer? You are wrong. Yes. Right. Ten balance is that 8 into 9. That is 1. That is 2. And 2 be multiplied to 1 gives me 2. This way, this way. 8 minus 1 or 9 minus 2. Both way will be 7. So answer will be 7. This way. Justice. Got it? Just a moment. Somebody is asking the first technique. I will tell you the first technique. Somebody is asking me. Let me see where is the problem. What was the first trick? I am missing the trick. What was that trick? I have told many tricks. What was that trick you are asking? Yes, tell me who is asking. Just a moment, wait please. I'm starting the video. then I will let you know. Can you write up the problem? What was the problem? In chat box you can type. Somebody is asking. Apeksha is saying something. Beta Apeksha, I can't get what you are saying. Nothing is visible to me. Nothing is visible to me. I have problem. Nalini is writing some problem. I don't know what you want to write. Tell me, beta. This was the problem or what? This was the problem or what? Calculating age 3 times. Okay. Calculating age. This problem I have told you, just you will write it's a square 25 and you will say 4 square plus 4. You will write 5 square 25 and here 1 square plus 1. This is 25 and 3 square plus 3. So 12 25 and 20 25 and 2 25. This square will be added the same digit and square of 5. I will tell calculating age also. Calculating age, requires that take your age, any age, whatever is your age, like 16, multiply it by 3. Multiply it by 3, then multiply it by your age 16. First multiply it by 3. That is 48. Now 48 multiply by 13. Whatever result came, then multiply it by 259. Gives you age 3 times. Gives you age 3 times. Okay. I've told you this thing. Now again I am coming to that thing. The screen is visible to you all. Now 98 multiplied by 91. 98 multiplied by 91. Make it balance. Make it balance. How much from 100? That is 0 to, that is 0.9. And 2 is to be multiplied by 9. Gives me 18. This way or this way. 98 minus 0.9 or 91 minus 0.2. Both will give me what? 89. So this will be my answer. Got it? 8918 will be my answer. Now, this is the problem which you have to do that. Your answer must be in 4-digit only. Your answer must be in 4-digit only. Ananya, what you are writing? This is nothing is visible. Only the boxes are there. You can do it with 10 also. You can do it with 9 also, 100 also. So I will do it by 100. That is 12. That is 12. And 12 multiplied by 12 gives me what? 144. But 1 will be carry over. Because 12 multiplied by 12 gives me 144. I will take 2 digit. 1 carryover I will take here. This way, this way. Both ways what? 76. So I will put 76. 76 will be added to 1. Gives me 7744. 7744. Got it? Is it visible to all? I'm not seeing your message. Yes, that will be 7744 will be my answer. Now, write it down. You will do your homework. The screen is not visible. I will share it again. I will share the screen again. Is it visible now? It is visible now. Write down every questions for homework. That is homework for you. Write down. This is to be multiplied. 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 Note it down every question. With 100 balance. Write down these more questions. This can be done with 25 into 99. What is that? 75. What is that? 01. 01 multiply into 01 gives me 75. Either this way will give me 24. So easy. 100 balance method will be so easy. Got it? 25 to be multiplied by 99. What? That is minus 75. That is 01. Now what I have to do? 75 to be multiplied into 01 gives me 70. This way or this way. Either 99 minus 75 or either 25 minus 01. Both way it will be 2475. Got it? Write down every question. This and this. Write down one more question. 47. This is homework. 47 multiplied by 47. Write down very fast. 46 multiplied by 43. Write down. 108 into 109. This is homework which you have to do. 108 into 109. Do your own, Manya. Do your own. 112 multiplied by 112. 114 multiplied by 105. 114 multiplied by 105. 101 multiplied by 101. Don't type in Hindi. It is not visible to me. $39 multiplied by 39. 39 multiplied by 39. Try it at your home, okay? This will be balance of what? Try it at your home. This will be also with this trick only. Try at your home. This can be also solved up. Okay? Bye. See you again. We'll meet tomorrow at 4. Exact at 4, you must be in the class. Vedic mathematics class will be there. I will tell you tomorrow. These tricks are called Niklam Sutra. I will tell it tomorrow. Good night. Good night.